What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to connect Magic Eden wallet to Autosnipe.Ai. Also, if you guys want to save up on trading fees, you can use my partner link from the description to create a new account and get 10% lifetime trading fee discount. So, let's get started. So, how do we exactly connect our Magic Eden here on Autosnipe.Ai? Well, first things first is we need to access a few things. So first is you want to go to Autosnipe.Ai and you want to also install Magic Eden Wallet, which in this case, I've already installed this into my browser since, by the way, I'm using Google Chrome here, so I downloaded it from the Chrome web store. Now, what we need to do next is we want to go ahead and go to Autosnipe.Ai here, and you want to make sure that you only have one wallet on your browser. Now, if you have multiple wallets in here, you want to go ahead and click on your extension, go ahead and click on manage extension, and you want to make sure that you disable the other wallets that you currently have. Because in this case, for example, if you have like Phantom Wallet, by default, it's going to use Phantom Wallet. But in this case, I've disabled this and I only have like my Magic Eden Wallet enabled. So let's go ahead and go back into Autosnipe.Ai. Let's go and click on connect and snipe. And from here, it should open up Magic Eden, and we just need to make sure to add our password. Now, if you haven't created your account yet for Magic Eden, go ahead and proceed on creating your account first. But in this case, let's go ahead and enter our password here. Now, it's going to ask you which account you want to go and connect, so go and choose your account. So I only have one here. You want to make sure that the following permissions are enabled. Let's go and click on connect. And from here, it's going to load up your account. Let's go and click on sign. And once you've signed out, you could go ahead and enter your referral code here if you have those. And as you can see, we've just connected our account. And that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.